If you've ever used a foam roller before and thought to yourself, oh my God, this is so painful, I can't do this, I wanna show you what you're probably doing wrong, and I wanna show you my secret weapon to get more range of motion and be able to tolerate the discomfort so much more. So I wanna be honest with you. A lot of people, when they first start doing soft tissue release work with things like a foam roller or a massage ball, go way too far too fast. So the first thing I wanna say is this. Don't put 100% of the intensity into the movement. So if you find a knot that feels really painful, don't lean on that knot as hard as you possibly can. Go to a place that's tolerable. For most people, that's usually like an 8 out of 10 in discomfort. And see if you can breathe and relax until that 8 becomes a 6 or at most a 7. And then apply more pressure until it goes back to an 8. If we go all the way to a 10, our body tightens up, and that's the exact opposite experience that you want to have when using a foam roller. Now, if that's still not helping you, there's something really powerful that I love to use with my foam roller that makes it so much more effective. And that is having a foam roller that vibrates, okay? So a vibrating foam roller, what it does is it distracts the nerves as you're rolling, allowing you to tolerate more pressure. When you can tolerate more pressure, it allows you to dissolve those knots faster. In addition to that, they've also been shown to help increase more range of motion than just doing a foam roller alone, which is fantastic, especially for joints like your knees and your hips, because when they're mobile, your body tends to feel good. So if you have a vibrating foam roller, what you can do is just the same exact movements, only applying that vibration on top of it. And like I said, this will make it more comfortable and will make those knots loosen up more and give you more range of motion. It's one of my secret weapons to recovering faster and feeling amazing in my body again. And by the way, if your goal is to recover faster and feel amazing in your body again, I want to tell you about a special recovery masterclass that we're hosting soon. There's a brand new masterclass, 100% free. I'm going to go through how to use all of my favorite tools and some free tools as well in order to teach you how to recover faster, feel amazing in your body again, and ultimately feel like you have more movement freedom in your daily life. So if you want to join that, you can get a free ticket by clicking the link in the description below.